What up, Baton Rouge? Michael Stricklin here with Stricklin PorterConstruction and Stricklin Porter Land with
Chris Porter.
Not only are we builders, general contractors, but we also are developers, building one subdivision and then also a filing in another subdivision. We have a bunch of spec homes going up in. We're about to check out one. Come check it out with us. Let's go.
I like the brick arch.
The brick wall is really nice. This kitchen, I mean, it's just one of the things that Stricklin PorterConstruction is proud of. You know, just quality, high-end, not just thrown together cabinets, kitchen, or house. We really pride in our quality. You know, when you buy something from Stricklin & Porter, it doesn't matter if it's Stricklin PorterConstruction, Zachary Fence, Zachary Tree Service, Paradigm Home Staging. If it has Stricklin and Porter on it and it's an affiliate company, I promise you, we're gonna take care of you and give you the best quality that we can.
We pride ourselves on a superior product.
Yes, we are building houses. We're building 5 homes. Could we build these homes for 50, 60, 70 grand cheaper than what we're building them? Absolutely. But it would not be the quality that I want and Mr. Porter wants Stricklin & Porter to be known for. When you see S&P on any build anywhere, I want everybody that sees that to know it is high quality, beautiful product coming to the market, and they want to see it and they might actually want to live in it.
We want to build homes that anyone would want to live in.
I tell you what, bedroom, freaking humongous closet. Also got a full bath. I'd love to live here as a kid. Imagine literally coming in your garage, hitting your mudroom, bam, your shower and your bathroom's right there. You don't have to get yelled at by your wife from all the mud on the floor, making your house dirty. Literally, mudroom, garage is right there, bathroom, full shower. Make a kid mad because you go into his bathroom, but hey, guess what? Stricklin & Porter's got you covered. We can get your wife not yelling at you by keeping the house clean. Let's go. There's something to be, a site to be a part of, be able to offer houses, homes for people to actually call their home and raise their family in, to know that if it's got a Stricklin & Porter logo on it and we built it, it's very high quality. It's not a typical spec build. You know, it's really exciting to be a part of. It's not all about just the money, it's about the quality and knowing that we're helping people's dreams turn to reality. Big deal for us, big deal. Super excited for y'all to go on that home tour with us, just seeing a little bit of what we offer at Stricklin & Porter. Telling you, beautiful home. This really is one of my favorite houses on the market. Phenomenal custom home built by Stricklin & Porter. House you're gonna wanna see, house you're gonna wanna live in. Before long, it will be staged by Paradigm Home Staging and have a Zachary Fence put up for you. You get it all when you mess with Stricklin & Porter. One-stop shop for anything you need on any piece of property in the state of Louisiana. Give us a call, 225-681-9457. We'll get you taken care of. Let's go.